TRP, tryptophan operon attenuation. In part first of TRP operon, we have studied the organization and functioning of this operon as negative repressible control of gene expression. TRP operon comprises 5 structural genes whose expression is regulated by the controller gene and DNA sequences. These are operator sequence, promoter sequence and regulator gene. This model of TRP operon is further complicated by the existence of second level of the control of gene expression in presence of TRPL present between the promoter and TRPE structural genes known as leader sequence, which cause attenuation in presence of the adequate amount of tryptophan. This control of gene expression can be compared with the catabolite repression control of leg operon. In leg operon, CAP site is present in the promoter region where the CAP protein bind, which cause catabolite repression in presence of the adequate amount of glucose. Attenuation is a genetic control mechanism that causes premature termination of transcription when the product of gene are not needed. In case of TRP operon, when the tryptophan is present in the adequate amount, it causes attenuation, that is premature termination of the transcription. In part first of TRP operon, we have studied that the regulator gene synthesizes the repressor. This repressor is inactive to bind at the operator. In this condition, the RNA polymerase bind at the promoter and the structural genes are expressed to synthesize the mRNA and translate into the enzymes required for the biosynthesis of tryptophan. When the tryptophan is present in the adequate concentration or in high level, it functions as co-repressor. This co-repressor binds to the inactive repressor. As a result, this inactive repressor becomes active and bind at the operator. As a result, the RNA polymerase cannot bind at the promoter, so the structural genes are not expressed. It is the first level of the control of gene expression by repressible system of the adequate concentration of TRP or tryptophan. This first level is further complicated by the second level of the control of gene expression, which can be shown by two phenomena. The first, TRPR mutant cells of E. coli are unable to synthesize the repressor. In absence of the repressor, the structural genes are expressed at a constant rate whether the tryptophan is present or absent. Means there is no effect of the concentration of the tryptophan on the expression of the structural gene, because this tryptophan exerts its effect only through the repressor which is absent in the TRPR mutant cell. It has been shown that when such cells are grown on the culture media in which the tryptophan is absent, when the tryptophan is added in an adequate amount in the culture media, the expression of the structural genes or the synthesis of the enzymes decrease by 8 to 10 fold, whereas the rate should be constant because the repressor is absent. It shows the existence of the second level of the control of gene expression. Second, TRPL or the leader sequence removed by deletion. It causes the increase in the expression of the structure genes or increase in the rate of the production of the enzymes. These two phenomena prove that a second level of the control of gene expression is present in the TRP operon in presence of the leader sequence where the attenuation occurs. Now we will discuss the structure, organization and functioning of the leader sequence which cause the attenuation or premature termination of the transcription. Leader sequence is of 162 nucleotide long. Its transcription precedes the TRPE. The DNA of the leader sequence possesses diet symmetry with GC, guanine cytosine rich palindrome sequence at certain region which allow the transcribed mRNA to form the stem and loop structure. The leader sequence possessing the attenuation is characterized by some specific character. These are: first, it possesses a short coding region toward the promoter known as ORF, open reading frame, which synthesizes a leader peptide of 14 amino acid. Second, it has attenuator region present toward the TRPE is identical with the transcription termination signal found at the end of most of the operon of bacteria. This signal possesses GC rich sequence followed by several AT base pair. The mRNA synthesized from this signal sequence form the stem and loop structure due to hydrogen bonding between the guanine and cytosine and followed by several U or the A. When the nascent mRNA form the stem and loop structure, this structure causes conformational change in the associated RNA polymerase. When such RNA polymerase reach at this region or at the poly U region, it causes the termination of the transcription because this region form a weak link with the DNA as between the A and U or A and T, there are only two hydrogen bond is present. The formation of the stem and loop structure is depend upon the presence or absence of the tryptophan or presence of limited amount or adequate amount of the tryptophan. The tryptophan regulate the attenuation because of the some fact found in TRP operon. The first is, in prokaryotes, the transcription and translation are coupled, means while the transcription is going on, the translation also started. Second, the coding region present as open reading frame possess AUG, initiation codon for translation, followed by 13 codons and followed in turn by a terminator codon UGA. Among these 13 codon, two contiguous codon for tryptophan amino acid, that is UGG are present. Third, the mRNA synthesized from the leader sequence possess 4 specific regions, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These regions are rich in GC. The region 1 comprises the nucleotide 75 to 84, region 2 108 to 119, region 3 114 to 121, and the region 4 126 to 134. Because of these regions are rich in GC, so they form the stem and loop structure by pairing with each other. The region A is complementary with the 2 and the region 2 is complementary with the region 3 and region 3 is complementary with the region 4. So, the region 1 can base pair with region 2, 1, 2. Similarly, the region 2 base pair with the region 3 and the region 3 base pair with the region 4. As a result, 1, 2, 3 stem and loop structure or large hairpin loops are formed. The third loop is very significant and interesting because the stem and loop formed between the region 3 and 4 is followed by the several U or the A sequence, and this loop structure work as a functional attenuator because the premature termination of the transcription occur at this region. All the three stem and loop structure cannot be formed at the same time because the nucleotide sequence of region 2 and 3 are common from 114 to 119. Obviously, only one stem and loop structure is formed at a time. The formation of the stem and loop structure at a particular region is depend upon the availability and non-availability of the tryptophan or the synthesis, complete or incomplete synthesis of the leader peptide. In first condition, when the tryptophan is absent in the medium or it is present in the limited amount, in such a condition the tryptophenyl tRNA TRP is also either absent or present in the very limited amount. So, while the translation process is going on, the ribosome in such condition store at the UGG codon which code for the tryptophan. This UGG codon is present in the first region. So, in presence of the ribosomes in the region, this region cannot base pair with the region 2. So, the region 2 is free to base pair with region 3 to form a hairpin loop or stem and loop structure. This hairpin loop is formed before the region 4 is transcribed. So, the region 4 compelled to remain the single stranded. In such a condition, the RNA polymerase transcribe the region 4 and ultimately reach in the structural gene region, that is in the TRPE, and transcribe all the 5 structural genes or whole of the operon. It means when the tryptophan is absent, the structural genes are expressed to synthesize those enzymes which are required for the biosynthesis of tryptophan. In the second condition, when the tryptophan is available in the medium, means tryptophenyl tRNA TRP also available in the medium. In this case, the leader peptide is completely synthesized and ribosome stored on the terminator codon, that is UGA. The presence of the ribosome at this site, which is present between the region 1st and the region 2nd, cover the area of the region 2. So, the region 2 is not free to base pair with the region 3. In this case, the region 3 base pair with the region 4 to form the stem and loop structure. This stem and loop structure is followed by the several either U or A sequence present between the DNA and RNA. As a result, the RNA polymerase, when present at this region, which form a weak link between the DNA and RNA, cause the termination of the transcription. So, the stem and loop structure formed between the region 3 and 4 cause the conformational change in the RNA polymerase as such RNA polymerase, when transcribe the several U which form the weak link between the DNA and RNA, so cause the termination, and this termination is the premature termination of the transcription. So in presence of the tryptophan, the attenuator region, that is third loop, cause the attenuation or the premature termination of the transcription. So on the basis of this control of the gene expression, it has been suggested that TRP operon is regulated not only by the repression but also by the attenuation. The transcription is regulated by the range of over 700-fold by the combined effect of repression up to 70-fold and by the attenuation up to the 10-fold. So in this way, both the attenuation as well as the repression control the regulation of the TRP operon or tryptophan operon. Thank you.